Hey there, future fintech whiz. Dive into the world of digital finance with us today. Imagine transforming your coffee money into a growing investment right from your phone. Stay tuned as we unravel simple yet powerful fintech tools and strategies that could redefine your financial freedom. Don't miss out, hit play now. Fintech Innovations, the future of finance and online transactions. Hey, Millionaire Ventures online family. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of fintech innovations, the future of finance and online transactions. This field is as thrilling as exploring a new planet, full of opportunities and breakthroughs. Fintech, or financial technology, is transforming how we manage money, from buying our morning coffee to growing our savings. Before we dive in, let's give that subscribe button a quick click so you don't miss out on our future adventures. Remember how we simplified ChatGPT earnings for you? We're doing the same with fintech. Meet Emma, a savvy entrepreneur ready to conquer the fintech world. We'll be guiding you through the maze of digital payments, blockchain, and more, ensuring you're equipped to make the most of these financial innovations. Let's decode fintech and turn it into your next big earning opportunity. Unraveling the power of fintech. What makes fintech a game changer in the financial world, and how can you benefit from it? Fintech is like a super tool, reshaping everything from banking to investing. It's about making financial tasks faster, easier, and more accessible. Just like we showed you the potential of earn money from Instagram, fintech opens a world of possibilities for both personal finance and business growth. Step 1. Grasp the basics. Begin by understanding what fintech is. It's the exciting blend of finance and technology that's powering mobile banking, online payments, and cryptocurrencies. Unlike traditional finance methods, fintech is faster, more user-friendly, and often more cost-effective. It's the difference between a speedy sports car and a slow-moving bicycle. Think of it as using apps for budgeting, investing in stocks through your phone, or using online platforms for loans. Step 2. Identify opportunities. Next, dive into how fintech can benefit you. If you're looking to save, explore high-interest online savings accounts. For those interested in investments, user-friendly platforms make buying stocks or cryptocurrencies as easy as online shopping. And for business transactions, fintech means quicker, more secure payment methods, which are essential for business growth and customer trust. Step 3. Stay updated. The fintech landscape is always changing, much like the shifting trends in social media. To stay ahead, you need to keep up with the latest developments. This could mean subscribing to financial tech blogs, following fintech influencers on social media, or joining online forums. Staying informed is akin to having a map on a treasure hunt. It guides you to make smarter, more profitable decisions. Step 4. Apply fintech solutions. Finally, start incorporating fintech tools into your daily financial tasks. Whether it's managing your personal budget through a finance app or integrating digital payment options in your business, these tools can simplify and enhance the way you handle money. The key is to start small and gradually expand your use of fintech solutions as you become more comfortable with them. Mastering digital wallets for efficiency. How can digital wallets enhance your personal and business financial management? Digital wallets are revolutionizing the way we handle money. They're like having a bank in your pocket, making transactions effortless. We'll show you how to use them effectively, just as we did with Google Maps Earning Guide. Step 1. Select the right digital wallet. Choosing a digital wallet is like picking a tool that suits your specific needs. For personal use, you might want something simple and secure. For business, you might need something that integrates well with your sales systems. For example, Sarah, a freelance photographer, chooses Venmo for its straightforward design and quick payment features, making her client transactions smooth and professional. Step 2. Embrace security. Security in digital wallets is as crucial as a lock on your door. Opt for wallets with strong encryption and authentication processes. Consider John's Grocery Store, which opts for wallets with top-notch security measures, ensuring every customer transaction is safe and building a reputation of trustworthiness. Step 3. Implement in business. Integrating digital wallets can revolutionize your business transactions, making them faster and more customer-friendly. Look at Bloom Boutique, which adopted Google Pay. It simplified the checkout process with a quick tap and greatly enhanced customer satisfaction with its ease of use, reflecting a significant increase in repeat customers. Step 4. Experience convenience. Digital wallets offer the convenience of managing your finances anytime, anywhere. Take Emily, for example, a busy freelancer who utilizes her banking app to track expenses, pay bills, and monitor savings with just a few clicks, even when she's traveling for work. By carefully selecting a digital wallet, ensuring robust security, incorporating it into your business operations, and enjoying the convenience it brings, you're setting yourself up for a more efficient and satisfying financial experience. Each step is about making your financial life smoother and safer, letting you focus more on what matters in your personal and business life. Leveraging blockchain for secure transactions. How does blockchain technology ensure secure and transparent financial transactions? Blockchain is like a digital ledger that's incredibly secure and transparent. It's revolutionizing how we think about online transactions. Just like we uncovered the secrets of profitable gaming, blockchain offers a new level of security and trust in the digital world. Step 1. Learn about blockchain basics. Blockchain is like a digital diary that safely records every deal and promise. Once something is written in this diary, it can't be changed or deleted, making it super trustworthy. Artists, for example, use it to prove their art is original, protecting it from fakes. It's like a magic book where once something is written, it's written forever, and everyone can trust it's true. Step 2. See how blockchain is used. Blockchain isn't just for online money like Bitcoin. It's also behind smart contracts, which are like automatic deals that happen when certain things are done, and in tracking products' journey from start to end, ensuring they are what they say they are. Consider HealthChain, which uses blockchain to manage patient records, keeping them safe and easily shared among doctors. This means everyone involved, from manufacturers to buyers, can trace and trust the journey of the products they care about. Step 3. Know why it's secure. Blockchain's power lies in how it checks every transaction with many computers, making it almost impossible for cheats or mistakes. An online store called Secure Shop uses blockchain to ensure every purchase and review is real, building trust with their customers. It's like having a group of guards checking each transaction, ensuring everything is as it should be. Step 4. Consider blockchain for your business. Think about how blockchain can help you. If you sell online, it can prove your products are real and track them to the customer's door. If you handle contracts or deals, blockchain can automate and secure them. Imagine a business called Globe Exports, using blockchain to manage international agreements, making sure every term is followed correctly and on time. In understanding blockchain's basics, exploring its uses, recognizing its security, and considering it for your business, you can turn this technology into a tool for building trust and making your transactions safer and smoother. It's about making every digital step you take trustworthy and straightforward, just like the clear, honest paths we aim for in profitable gaming. Embracing mobile banking for financial flexibility. How can mobile banking apps transform your financial management and business operations? Mobile banking apps are like having a financial assistant in your pocket, offering incredible flexibility and control over your finances. They're changing the game, just as we showed you in mastering CPA marketing. Step 1. Choose the best banking app. Identify an app that aligns with your financial needs and goals. For personal finance, it might offer budget tracking and savings goals, while business-oriented features could include invoice generation or supplier payments. Take Mark's scenario, for example, a small business owner who selects an app blending both personal and business account management, simplifying his daily financial navigation. Step 2. Utilize app features. Maximize your app's potential by engaging with its variety of features. Lisa, a diligent saver, utilizes her banking app's budgeting tool to oversee her monthly expenses, helping her make informed financial decisions. Step 3. Streamline business finances. For entrepreneurs and business owners, mobile banking can revolutionize how you handle company finances. Quick Deliver, a logistics firm, utilizes mobile banking for efficient payroll processing and real-time financial updates, ensuring a smooth operational flow and timely employee payments. This step is crucial in maintaining a productive, well-managed business structure. Step 4. Enjoy real-time financial management. Embrace the flexibility and control that mobile banking provides. Like Nina, a busy consultant who instantly verifies client payments and reconciles expenses on the go, ensure you're never more than a few clicks away from complete financial oversight. Whether you're checking balances, confirming transactions, or scheduling payments, mobile banking brings a new level of efficiency to managing your finances anywhere and anytime. That's a wrap on our fintech journey today. With these insights into fintech innovations, you're well on your way to mastering the future of finance and online transactions. Remember, it's about embracing new technologies and adapting them to your financial goals, just like we explored in dropshipping mastery. Don't forget to subscribe to Millionaire Ventures Online for more insightful guides.